Yesterday may have stunk, but today is the pick. Follow me.
And two went to Home Depot.
Here we go. Typewriter starts it. Irons, holy smokes. Look at this stuff. Who knows what that is? Old pictures, chainsaws. Could be a massacre later on. That's what I'm talking about. Holy smokes. This is your country. We got our second typewriter. I'll take hats and damn. Now where's the teapot to that? There's a death pile, people, and who knows what's in it. This is what I'm talking about. Pure picking 101. Probably gonna be some turds too. Slim pickings. Getting some old interesting stuff, but we'll see what else I go through. I'm gonna get different things out of this one. What I can, anyway. Well, after a good sweat and workout, I got a couple boat anchors and not really much at all. But I did get something, and these things happen. It was pretty much not to happen today. I'll show you what I got when I get back at the main base, and we'll go. I took a couple creepy things out of there that are of interest. Other than that, pretty much wasn't anything. Stay tuned. What I bothered to take out for dog shit pee. So here's what I got. I got a couple old boat anchors. I'll clean them up. They'll sell. They'll sell. I got folk art Coke because I took it because it's old. So what the heck? I took it. Coke guy, I'll get fine. Here's a brand new old stock one of these things.
What is it?
Hold on, let me see something.
Oh, for drinks?
Nah, that's going right in the trash.
Why?
Because it's got no cord, and I think it's kind of like grody.
Isn't it just a drink thing?
Yeah, but I don't see the cord. That's the cord's there. It's got the pamphlet. It's called the Party something Percolator. This is cool. This is the Punky Punkin from 1950. So,
sheet music.
Yeah, I can't believe the Glass House Greg left this, especially when it's 1950. So I took that. Here's an old football high school poster of what their teams they play. That's from the 50s, because look, that's even before I played. Then just some mixed glass and new old stock things, couple old books. One stinking bone china, English Castle, Staffordshire. I have the plate. It's mint. That might be the best thing I picked up. There were some old dead body urns there. Three of those.
Like with people in them?
Yeah, with their ashes. So they had heat contact, or it's going to contact the owner of the house, and they'll come get them. And here's something different. Let's show you the old picture. We're going to go down to Glass House Greg's because he got some stuff.
I'm not going down.
Well, I know you're not going down, but nobody said you were. Oh, this is, I don't know what that is. Pittsburgh. There you go. Somebody in Pittsburgh wants it. There's 1979, a picture of your city. And it's even made in, okay. It's even made in the USA. So that's, and I got a Jesus button. So Jesus with the lamb. There we go. And that picture right there. This is cool because these are the pictures that could be haunted. So maybe I brought a piece of haunted house. Can you see the picture?
No.
Look. That's creepy.
Geez.
Let's see if the eyes move when we walk around the house.
What the heck? Is it a real picture?
Yeah. I will hang that in Haley or Holly's room and see what they think. Got a punch bowl, cut glass, punch bowl. Here, let's look at that picture. And this, I don't know what the hell it is, but it's brand new old stock again. Brand new in the box. Here you go. So.
Oh my goodness, that's so creepy.
Here's that picture. I'm going to clean this up, but Very nice. This is late 1800s, I would think.
Oh God.
Or that's a painting, actually. This thing's old. So that maybe that's one of the best things. It comes with all the dirty old bugs with it. So
Bugs?
bugs, would you stop? So we'll clean that up. Somebody will be interested in an old creepy picture. Or let's not say that. This lovely old picture. Lovely.
Pretty.
Yeah. But will her eyes move? I think I'll stick her behind me. So any of you people that like old pictures, PM me, I'll send it to you for a small fee. That's it. I got, like I said, I got a little bit of glass, couple old books. There wasn't much for my picking. We'll go down to Glass House Greg's and we'll see that what he got, and I'm sure he did pretty good. And then so here's the cleanup of pieces I picked up at today's pick before I go down to the Glass House Greg's. One nice teacup, that's it. Bone china, cut glass, punch bowl. That's like a McCoy or Hall. It's not marked. That's no big deal. An old couple marbles. That's yeah, that's uranium glass. There's the old Mickey made in Japan. A little bit of that yellow glass. This is, you know what, Liberty Blue. One replacement plate. There's something Ohio, Sterling. I'll check that out in a while. A little bit of Carnival glass and Depression glass. No big deal. A couple of, like I said, there's an old creepy picture and a couple of typewriters. Let's go see what Glass House has. All right, here we go. Damn it, I missed that thing. Here's his pick.
Hold on, let me get the other
Stamps? Are those stamps?
Yeah, these are those
First day stamps. I got a ton of them. Yeah, the gold
they're
ones.
gold ones, yeah. Hold on, let me get the other.
No soup turans.
Nope.
Christmas plates. That's it.
Nope. No.
So you better have got more than that all day up there.
These are cool. Look at these. These are in
The
the
hell are
box.
those?
They're
Oh, they'll
blue
sell.
eye beams, sealed beam replacement.
Blue beams.
Yeah, blue beams.
There's the fish's stuff from the back porch. Did you get anything out of that?
A couple of small things. I got this Playboy lighter. Look at that.
Yeah, but there was no dirt. That's the first pick with no dirty magazines. At least I didn't see them.
No,
Or I would have
I
put them
didn't
on.
see any either.
You always find dirty magazines and picks. Always.
Hold on.
Up in your truck?
No, it's all over.
Oh, it's here.
It's all over here.
Sold that on eBay for what?
It's sold for $30.
Oh, there you go. What's the bottom look like?
It's good.
Ah.
No rust.
Yeah,
See if Peters wants them. If not, they get tossed.
I got so many
Say that,
stinking.
you know?
Yeah,
No.
nothing.
This is just new in the box.
Yeah, I would have
That's why
grabbed
picked it
all
up.
that crap.
Oh, and this is a brand new skill saw. I'm gonna sell.
Always that crap sells.
Craftsman. Yeah. In the
See,
box. What? Yeah.
that's cool. What the hell?
Oh,
the hell's that? That's
I don't
cobalt.
know. Yeah.
Who makes it?
I haven't looked.
Blue cobalt.
There's red.
Yeah, that's some ruby red.
I grabbed
Who are
these.
Yeah, they
have
look like this
stamps on
cassette. Stoffing shears. Is that? Let me see. Is that what you call it? No, they're England. Dupe. Here it is. Cintiq. Get the what? There's some ruby red bowl. I took the whole set of those crystal. What you call it?
Okay. Yeah.
They're nothing. They're
Nah.
going to a yard sale.
Yeah. I just picked these up because they're dated 1953.
Yeah, they're old. That's what that pay. You know that Halloween thing I got is 1950. It cleans up, but is that gold all torn off? That's why I
These
left.
plates, see?
Those plates will do something,
Yeah,
I'm
those
sure.
sell. That radio works. That's why I got it.
Panasonic radio. There you go. That's a big seller. The somebody hostess kit. Oh, Lovely. That's chipped, but that's still probably okay. No, the big one. Show me that big sucker. Look at that turkey plate. That I bet you has a little bit of pop to it. I bet you that's a $50 one.
We'll see.
I bet you it is. I bet you. Yeah, the suckers. That's nice. There's something cool. Now that's the old steel top, so that's a nice golf.
I don't know what this was. I grabbed it.
I got one of those you left.
So.
There's some glass insulators, which I'm going to go through.
So.
That's it? Fire King's good.
Yeah, the Fire King, because I have a
basic glass
this is cool. Hold on.
insulators. There's a... Let me see that. Here's one for your fishing nuts. This sucker's nice, too. You're going to get money for that. Look at that. Hold on, time out. That's nice. Look at them handles. Look, that's cherry, man. That's cherry.
In the box.
There's both of them. Let me see the other one.
This is a smaller version.
This is nice, man. That's like
is.
brand new old stock. I bet
know.
you that's a...
J.C. Higgins was Sears's, that was their
I don't think there were any real home runs today.
Nope.
You decide. I like his big turkey tray. I think his mobile oil can is okay, but there was no missing booty. So 2 days I've had of going into Pennsylvania and not coming back with any super things. I got fake Roseville pottery yesterday and some boat anchors today. No, they're typewriters. They're cool, but I'll sell them and that'll be it. So, I'm Harry Humstone. Later. What do you think? What do you think? Is it me? Look, I got my soul patch and my, in between Ben Franklin, John Lennon glasses. I think it's me. There's young Harry.